NVIDIA recently confirmed that CEO Jensen Huang will deliver the keynote address at the AI tech giant's upcoming GTC 2025 conference.
For those unfamiliar, GTC stands for GPU Technology Conference. It's NVIDIA's flagship event where developers gather for workshops and training sessions to maximize the potential of NVIDIA's hardware.
The keynote is scheduled for March 18th, with the entire conference running March 17th through the 21st in San Jose, California.
And for those who can't make the trip to California, NVIDIA is offering a virtual attendance option as well, making this accessible to developers worldwide.
Shares of NVIDIA were down 21% year-to-date as of March 10th, but remain positive, up more than 20% over the last 52 weeks, driven by its lead in AI chip manufacturing and distribution. At this year's conference, NVIDIA's preview materials are heavily focused on AI innovations, but we should note that this comes at an interesting time in their product cycle.
That's an excellent point. NVIDIA launched their RTX 5070 series GPUs this month, which has led to speculation that we might see the unveiling of their RTX 5060 series at GTC.
A mid-March reveal would fit perfectly into their typical product rollout timeline. This could be significant news for gamers and investors watching NVIDIA's consumer GPU market share.
Absolutely. With AI development continuing to drive NVIDIA's enterprise segment, any new consumer GPU announcements could indicate the company's strategy for balancing these two crucial markets.
We'll be watching closely come March 18th to see what Jensen has up his sleeve, though I doubt he'll be wearing anything other than his trademark leather jacket on stage.
Jensen has assembled leaders from virtually every major quantum computing player, Alice and Bob, Atom Computing, D-Wave and FunctionIQ, and others. The keynote panel is titled Quantum Computing, Where We Are and Where We're Headed, which speaks to a key question for investors. Is quantum computing still purely speculative? Or are we approaching commercial viability? Companies like IonQ have seen their stock prices surge at times on quantum computing enthusiasm, but the timeline to revenue-generating applications remains unclear. This panel could provide crucial insights for the sector.
Another panel catching attention is Frontiers of AI and Computing, featuring Yann LeCun and Bill Daly. LeCun is Meta's chief AI scientist and one of the pioneers of deep learning, while Daly is NVIDIA's chief scientist. This conversation could reveal NVIDIA's thinking about the next generation of AI models and hardware requirements. As we've seen with the rise of large language models, computational demands have been skyrocketing.
And that's been the key driver of NVIDIA's dominance. Their GPUs have become the de facto standard for training these increasingly complex AI systems. Any hints about future computational needs could signal NVIDIA's growth trajectory. Let's not overlook the industrial applications panel, Physical AI for the Next Frontier of Industrial Digitalization. This speaks directly to NVIDIA's enterprise strategy.
Right. While consumer AI gets headlines, industrial applications could be where the real money is made. NVIDIA has been pushing its Omniverse platform for industrial digital twins and simulation. This panel features industry leaders discussing how they're implementing these technologies.
I'd focus on three things. First, any announcements about new chips or hardware specifications. Second, expanding use cases that grow NVIDIA's total addressable market. And third, timelines, how quickly these technologies might move from research to commercial deployment.
Absolutely. NVIDIA has positioned itself at the center of multiple technological revolutions, from AI to quantum computing to robotics. The question for investors is how efficiently they can monetize these opportunities
and whether any competitors might emerge to challenge their dominance. Intel, AMD, and various AI chip startups are all looking to capture a slice of this growing market.